Introducing the multi-station perfume bottle packaging machine, the ultimate solution for packaging perfume spray bottles quickly and efficiently. The bottle feeding station features two vibrating bowls that ensure a smooth and consistent supply of perfume bottles, while the filling station uses peristaltic pumps to accurately dispense the correct amount of perfume into each bottle. The sprayer feeding station uses vibrating bowls to supply sprayers, while the sealing station features pneumatic capping heads that tightly seal the sprayers onto the bottles to maintain product freshness and quality. The cover feeding station features vibrating bowls that supply covers, which are then pressed onto the bottles using pneumatic pressing heads at the cover pressing station to ensure a snug and secure fit. Finally, the finished bottles are discharged. The multi-station perfume bottle packaging machine can handle the entire packaging process from start to finish, ensuring that your products are packaged quickly, accurately, and securely. Whatever your packaging needs are, you can rely on ZONESUN.